For homeowners in Green Cove Springs, first impressions matter, and your front door plays a major role in how your home is perceived. As one of the first things visitors notice, a stylish and well-chosen door can instantly enhance your property's curb appeal while adding comfort, security, and value. Whether you're updating an older entryway or designing a new look for your home's exterior, investing in a door replacement is one of the most effective ways to elevate your home's appearance. Let's explore the top design options and features that can help transform your Green Cove Springs home into a true showpiece. Modern elegance with glass panel doors. One of the most popular trends among homeowners in Green Cove Springs is the use of glass panel doors. These designs combine elegance and practicality, letting in natural light while maintaining privacy through frosted, tinted, or decorative glass options. Glass panel doors are ideal for entryways that face shaded areas or porches, as they brighten interiors and create a warm, inviting feel. You can choose from single or double glass panels, geometric layouts, or even full-length panes for a sleek, modern appearance. If you love a balance of sophistication and sunlight, glass panel doors are the perfect blend of beauty and functionality. Classic charm with solid wood doors. For those who prefer timeless appeal, solid wood doors remain a favorite. Their natural grain, durability, and warmth make them ideal for Green Cove Springs' charming residential neighborhoods. Wood doors can be customized with intricate carvings, decorative panels, or arched tops to complement your home's architecture. Mahogany, oak, and cedar are popular choices because they withstand Florida's humid conditions while maintaining their classic appearance. A fresh stain or a bold paint color can instantly give your entryway a personality that reflects your style, whether rustic, traditional, or coastal chic. Sleek and strong fiberglass designs. Fiberglass doors have gained popularity for their combination of style and practicality. They can mimic the look of real wood while offering exceptional durability and resistance to humidity, which is essential for Green Cove Springs' climate. Unlike traditional wood, fiberglass won't warp, crack, or rot, making it a low-maintenance option for busy homeowners. Modern fiberglass doors come in various textures, finishes, and color options, from smooth, minimalist looks to deep wood grain patterns. Pair them with contemporary hardware, such as brushed nickel handles or black matte fixtures, for a bold, stylish finish that boosts curb appeal instantly. Double entry doors. For a grand statement. If you want to make your home's entrance truly stand out, consider upgrading to double entry doors. These statement-making designs not only enhance curb appeal but also improve functionality by allowing more space for guests and airflow. Whether crafted from wood, steel, or glass, double doors exude elegance and sophistication. They're especially popular in Green Cove Springs homes with spacious porches or wide front facades. Adding decorative sidelights or transoms above your double doors further enhances their visual impact, creating a luxurious, welcoming focal point for your home's exterior. Steel and iron doors. For security and style. For homeowners who want strength without sacrificing style, steel and iron doors offer both. These doors feature intricate metalwork, modern finishes, and energy-efficient cores. Beyond their stunning appearance, they provide superior security and durability, perfect for homeowners looking for peace of mind and aesthetic appeal. A powder-coated finish ensures that they remain rust-resistant and maintain their sleek look year after year. These doors pair beautifully with stone or brick exteriors commonly found in Green Cove Springs neighborhoods, adding a bold architectural statement. Custom finishes and hardware. For a personal touch. No stylish door upgrade is complete without the right details. Modern homeowners are embracing custom hardware and finishes to create truly unique entries. Matte black, bronze, and brushed nickel handles are popular for a modern aesthetic, while antique brass and oil-rubbed bronze lend a more classic charm. Adding decorative elements such as wrought iron grills, stained glass inserts, or custom paint colors can make your front door stand out even more. Your door is the centerpiece of your home's exterior, and customizing it ensures it reflects your personality and enhances your home's identity. Final thoughts: upgrading your entryway with a stylish door replacement is one of the most impactful ways to transform your Green Cove Springs home. From glass panel designs that let in natural light to elegant wood and durable fiberglass options, today's doors combine beauty, security, and efficiency in one investment. With professional installation and careful design selection, you can boost curb appeal, increase property value, and create an entrance that leaves a lasting impression. Your front door isn't just an entry, it's your home's welcome statement. Make it beautiful, strong, and uniquely yours.